Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your plan allows tethering and that your phone and carrier support LTE or 5G. Once done, install OS and modem updates to avoid performance-limiting bugs and run a quick signal check to pick the best location. Move to a window or higher floor for stronger reception. Also decide between 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Choose 5 GHz for less interference and higher throughput when your devices support it. You now optimize settings for maximum speed. Name your hotspot and enable WPA3 or WPA2 security with a strong password to prevent freeloaders. Next, force the 5 GHz band and pick the least congested channel. If your phone lacks manual channel control, reposition for a clearer channel. Limit connected devices and enable Co-S or prioritize critical apps when available. Finally, turn off background syncs and power-saving tether features. These finish by applying advanced fixes. If speeds fluctuate, use an external antenna, signal booster, or a dedicated mobile router to stabilize throughput. You should run speed tests on multiple devices. Once done, switch bands or reboot the phone and router to clear temporary blocks. If performance remains poor, verify APN settings, try another SIM or data profile, and contact your carrier to check network provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip: always test in a different location to distinguish coverage vs device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.